In actuality, it is much easier than it sounds. The over-the-counter trading requires high-speed electronic communication networks, ECNs, and trading systems. There are a myriad of Bitcoin brokers online. Step 3. Purchase any fractional denomination of Bitcoin. To buy any amount of Bitcoin, you are required to deal with a digital currency broker. There are so many Forex brokerages which help individuals to make profit from trading currencies. Quadrigasx employs some of the most stringent security protocols that currently exist. You must ensure that your chosen trading company is fully automated, integrated with blockchain, from receipt to payment. Your ROI should also be upwards of 1% per day, because the trading company that you are lending your Bitcoin to is most likely earning upwards of 5% per day, on average. There will be other companies that will attempt to separate you from your Bitcoin using unscrupulous methods. The market became well established in early 80s with the increased movement of currencies, and also peoples, across the border. By an estimate, major banks deposit around 30% of their money in Forex market and make around 45% of their profit from this market. If you are required to conduct tedious activities such as logging into your account, sending emails, clicking on links, etc., you definitely need to keep searching for a suitable trading company that offers a set-it-and-forget-it type of platform, as they absolutely exist. It is constantly growing as completed blocks are added to it with a new set of recordings. Bitcoin transactions are entered chronologically in a blockchain just the way bank transactions are. Bitcoin ATMs can be located by doing a simple Google search. The reason for this is the lifting of currency gold standard and marking them as free floating. As a result of globalization, today most countries have less control over their money exchange rates, which in turn contributed to the liquidity of the market. With online Bitcoin trading, it is feasible to double your digital currency within 90 days. It is possible to buy. Earning 1% per day is considered a high return in this industry. Here the three-letter codes are abbreviations for currencies such as EUR for Euro, USD for US dollar, JPY for Japan yen, etc. As with any currency broker, you will have to pay the broker a fee when you purchase your Bitcoin. It pays each Bitcoin investor/trader 1. Earning 10% per day is impossible. Most banks will pay out 2% per year. This is free to set up and very secure. You must avoid being lured by any company that is offering returns such as 10% per day. Furthermore, Bitcoins that are funded in Quadrigasx are stored in cold storage, using some of the most secure cryptographic procedures possible. There is only one platform that I feel comfortable using. The Bitcoin and other digital currencies are not the issue. even till the biggest beneficiaries of the money market are some large banks. Around 80% of Forex trades are done by banks. This type of a return is staggering compared to what you would earn with traditional financial markets. However, with cryptocurrency, it is common. Step 2. Setting up your e-wallet software account. As soon as you create your own unique e-wallet software account, you will have the ability to transfer funds from your e-wallet to a recipient's e-wallet, in the form of Bitcoin. To facilitate the transfer of your funds in Bitcoin to and from a trading platform, you will simply link your e-wallet address to the e-wallet address of your chosen trading platform. More importantly, it is crucial that you learn to differentiate legitimate trading opportunities from unscrupulous companies that are experts when it comes to separating its clients from their money. Forex trading is done in currency pairs such as euro to US dollar, Japanese yen to euro, US dollar to Japanese yen, etc. In other words, blockchain is a public ledger of all Bitcoin transactions that have ever been executed. There are many options when it comes to setting up your e-wallet. $2 trillion a day. Forex trading also involves substantial risks, and the currency interest rates are always changing in both ways according to local and global news and law changes. Your ROI must also be automatically transferred into your e-wallet at regular intervals, throughout your contract term. Blocks, meanwhile, are like individual bank statements. To use conventional banking as an analogy, the blockchain is like a full history of banking transactions. Forex trading or foreign exchange trading is the most wide and largest trading market in the world, having a turnover of around 2. You should also confirm the rate of a Bitcoin online, prior to making a purchase through a broker, as the rate does tend to fluctuate frequently. Usually the first one is used by Forex investors and less active traders, and the second one is used by short-term active traders like Forex day traders. There is a company called CoinExpro that was offering 10% per day to Bitcoin traders, one of Bitcoin or less if that is all that you would like to purchase. Because of the worldwide nature, the market is open 24 hours a day, permitting virtually anyone in any part of the world to trade any nation's currency. 1% per day in interest as well as 1. The learning curve in relation to using your e-wallet is very short. You have the option of setting up a two-tier login protocol to further enhance the safety and security in relation to your e-wallet account, essentially protecting your account from being hacked into. Once you transfer your Bitcoin to a recipient, there is literally nothing you can do to get it back. And it ended up being a Ponzi scheme. 1% per day in capital. London still holds the position of largest currency trading city, or otherwise world forex capital. A privilege mainly comes from its geographical positioning. A simple Google search will allow you to easily source out the best one for you. The modern era of Forex trading began in early 1970s, when currencies became a tradable financial product. This type of a return is not realistic with digital currency trading. It is the trading platforms that you must exercise caution with, prior to handing over your hard-earned money. Many people get started using a blockchain account. The cost is simply based on the current market value of a full Bitcoin at any given time. Be very cautious when it comes to any company that is offering unrealistic returns. The 5 major currencies in Forex market are US dollar, Euro, Japanese yen, British pound, and Swiss franc. For individual Forex traders, the real boom occurred with the introduction of online currency trading on internet. If you would like to use a Bitcoin ATM to withdraw funds from your account, essentially you will link your e-wallet address to the chosen ATM machine's e-wallet address. Step 4. Stay away from any trading platform promising unrealistic returns to unsuspecting investors. Finding a reputable Bitcoin trading company that offers a high return is paramount to your online success. The Forex trading systems may be of both types, as online or web-based or broker-side Forex platforms, and direct access or client-side or standalone Forex trading platforms. Forex trades are not done through any centralized exchanges but are done OTC, over the counter, through broker-dealer interactions. In order to withdraw money in your local currency, from your e-wallet, you are required to locate a Bitcoin ATM, which can often be found in local businesses within most major cities. My advice is to focus on trading your Bitcoin with a company that offers reasonable returns such as 1% per day. Forex trading is the trading of currencies, buying one nation's currency by simultaneously selling other nation's currency. And only 24% of the population know what it is. Together all these 5 currencies constitute over 70% of Forex trades. If it's 10% per day, walk away. A simple Google search will help you find the right e-wallet software for you, depending upon what your needs are exactly. A good place to start is with a company called QuadraGasEX. The aforementioned trading platform appeared to be very sophisticated and came across as being legitimate. The major event in Forex market for the last 10 years was the introduction of Euro, and the major happening in today's age is the fast development of 2 Asian countries, China and India, as economic powers. In other words, it is a very safe place for your Bitcoin and other digital currencies. You can find them by doing a Google search. It is always a good idea to compare their rates prior to proceeding with a purchase. To set up a new wallet, there are a myriad of companies online that offer safe, secure, free and turnkey e-wallet solutions.